Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share a project that I was inspired by, another inspiration video. I'll link their video down below. It's a tag with pockets. It's very easy. Let me show you. So it is a 6 by 3.5 tag, which I think is brilliant. I'll show you the my template here. So it is 6 inches by 10.5. So technically you can use a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. You would just get what is it, 1.5 inch strip left, and then you would score it at 3.5 and then 7, and then you would cut at a diagonal from this point to about 1 inch from the bottom here. And then you would make 3 tags, 3 by 5, 3 by 4, and 2.25 by 3. I mean, it could be any size tag, but I just wrote it down. That was her measurements. And you would fold it this way, and it would come out like this. I love that idea because I love anything with pockets. That's why I need to make more journals because I do have, certain pockets made. I think it was, who is that? Is it Patty's Pockets or Patricia's Pockets or something like that? She made all these pockets with book pages, and I love that idea. So that's why I was so inspired to make this tag pocket. But one thing that I did was that diagonal that you would cut out. Where did I see here? Here it is. But I use this as a punch. I punched out several different reinforcers. But you could use this piece from your cutout and add it to the back of your tag and add 2 more pockets, which I did on my project here. So I love this idea. I'm not done with this pocket. I have not decorated it, nor did I do the tags. But I love everything about this project. So I'm going to make something out of that one. So here is my project for today for Saturday Morning Makes. And Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jill Norwood and many other people that have been posting. I haven't been doing a lot of posts. Well, I've been doing a lot now. Now that I'm off work for a couple of months, I've been posting quite a bit of stuff. I did a little giveaway, and I've done several projects. And here's another one. So I dug in my stash and I cut out this paper. I've had this paper, oh my gosh, from the very beginning I started crafting, and it's a big, what do you call it, a file folder, and it had, well, it came from Costco, and I was starting out, and there's all these 12 by 12 sheets of paper, and it's pretty decent cardstock paper, and it's double-sided, and so I used it for this project because I have so much paper. I need to use what I have, and so let me take all the tags and show you the tag. I used some Dollar Tree lace. Here's a button from my stash. It's like a cameo. Back in the day, everybody was obsessed with cameos, and I kept some because I still love them. They're so pretty. Here's some ephemera that I had from um, my ephemera packs. I added a word called adventure. And then on the other side, I used that bit of um, piece of paper that I cut off and I used as a pocket for the other side of my tag. And I'm going to take this out. I did the same thing. I've added lace. Here's a button from my stash that says Paris. Here's another button that is that looks like metal, but it's not. It's a heart. It's really pretty. I just love how this look. And then the tags. Let me show you this is the tag itself. So here's this tag that I did, and this is an ephemera piece. Here's some lace, and I stamped on the background of all these from this stamp set that I think I got off of AliExpress. I've kept this because I love the vintage stamps that are on here. I used this one, and I think I used that one. So it's a great stamp to have. And I stamped it with my, what did I use? Where did it go? I think I used this Ranger dye ink pad Raven that I got from Tuesday morning. I got a couple black pads from Tuesday morning, and I stamped the background, and I also used some vintage photo to stamp this stamp. So I just love how that looks. I don't think this was in the back here. And then this one, I used a piece of words from Cosmo Cricket. Do you remember Cosmo Cricket? Well, I have a couple of their word sheets that has all kinds of different sayings and stuff, and I need to use them. I've like hoarded forever, and I need to use them up. I added this lace on the bottom, but I didn't glue them all the way down, so it's like a pocket for this suitcases. And I added that there, and I'm going to put that in my tag. And then here's another one. Here's some more lace ephemera pieces. This is the beach. I split it this way, and I'm going to add that to the bottom of my tag there. And then hit a smaller tag. I had some, I don't know what they call these. They're like puffy words that I had in my stash. I've had them for years. Some rub-ons, this one and this one, more stamping. And then I put a little word sticker here that says dream. Love that, how that works there. And then this one, stamped the background, added some ephemera pieces, and then I stamped Hawaii. That's where I'm from. And that is my last tag. I also punched the bottom of my tags so they could slip in these pockets a lot easier. Just love how that looks. And isn't that sweet? I just love this look. It's kind of like a shabby vintage kind of feel. So yeah, so this is what I made for Saturday Morning Makes. I want to thank everybody for commenting on my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.